insofar as the officers are concerned, they've now been removed.
Which officers, sir?
Your application, RTI application, was against one Dr. Pratik.
In fact, he left.
He's not there.
He's not there.
So what survives?
Pardon, sir?
What survives now?
The other two candidates who are likely
Who
to
are
be
the other two candidates?
about whom I have requested for information in point number 5.
Where are they working now?
They are working in IIFM
As what?
as associate professor.
And what about you?
I am also working in IIFM.
So what do you want now?
I want
Them to be removed so that you are the only person eligible for everything.
No. They are
Why
from
are you targeting your colleagues?
My lord, they are the very important thing is, if somebody is ineligible, Supreme Court says that it is fraud on public to appoint a person with inferior qualification.
That's all right. The department will look at it.
Department is not looking. Department is protecting them.
Is this a public interest litigation that you?
No, this is not a public interest
You want
litigation.
the salary paid to them so that that can be recovered? You can't
My
understand what
lord,
is
this in fact, I asked earlier, as I said, naturally, DOPT norms and CCS rules, it clearly says that if somebody is responsible for misuse or of public exchequer, the money has to be recovered. तो क्या सर ineligible लोगों को हम survive करते देखें? ये सर मेरा इंस्टीट्यूट है. आई एम वर्किंग इन दिस इंस्टीट्यूट सिंस 2010. I cannot see any ineligibility survive in this particular institute. Sir, IFM ने बहुत मेहनत करके जो भी अभी IFM की जो इज्जत है वो बहुत मेहनत करके कमाई है. अगर कोई बीच में आता है और वो इस तरह से इलीगल लोगों को, I will not say illegal until unless I have their certificates. अगर ये लोग सर्वाइव करते हैं सर, it would be a fraud on public. Sir, I will take you. Sir, next.
What is the? We'll consider it. We'll put it down for hearing.
Sir, there is this Mumbai High Court, and this was challenged in.
Miss
Jayashree
Dubey, it requires consideration. Requires a detailed hearing. We'll put it on for hearing in the final list.
Sir, so just allow me two more cases, sir. This only Mumbai High Court, and which was challenged in.
It requires hearing. We are not rejecting your argument. We'll take some time.
Sir, 2 more minutes, sir.
No, but then we have to hear them.
Sir, just 2 more
All right,
minutes.
you have
sir.
your 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Please go ahead.
Right, sir. So this is the other case which I've mentioned over here. In this case also, this is a Mumbai High Court case where the judgment was given on November 2024. Here also, the details related to the selected candidates were asked. If we go to page number 91, my lord, point number 27, it reads that in this case we are concerned with the selection process for the post of ... Essentially, this is a process by which applications were invited for all eligible candidates by issuing public advertisement. In that sense, public process must be transparent and above board. The marks obtained by the candidate in a selection process cannot ordinarily be held to be personal information, the disclosure of which has no relationship to any public activity. I am also reading point number 28, my lord. The legislature has not exempted all personal information under section 8(1)(j), but only such personal information, the disclosure of which has no relationship to public activity or interest. My lord, the information which I asked for are the information which were referred in recruitment, which is a public activity. Then I would again like to continue with page number 92. The process amounts to personal information, the disclosure of which has no relationship to any public activity or interest. Given that selection process must be transparent and above board, it would be in public interest to disclose such information rather than withhold it and allow any doubts to linger upon. Now, in this case, they have made reference to the judgment of Honorable Supreme Court in page number 94, point number 38. Sir, I will just read this and SLP. Page number 94, point number 38. Recently, in Tej Pratap versus Rajasthan High Court, appeal number ... the Honorable Supreme Court stressed upon transparency in public recruitment process. The Institute of Chartered Accountant of India versus dash dash dash, the Honorable Supreme Court highlighted the RTI's objective to ensure transparency and accountability and urged examining body to adapt to a new disclosure regime. Thus, the trend under RTI regime to disclose the information that would maintain trust in the recruitment process without unduly compromising the privacy of any candidate. A distinction must be made between sensitive personal information like medical details, etc., and information intrinsically linked to the marks obtained, qualification, and experience of candidate. So, my lord, these are the statements from the Honorable Supreme Court. In this case, Honorable Mumbai High Court allowed the disclosure or sharing of information. This particular decision was challenged in Honorable Supreme Court, and which the SLP was rejected, and I have attached this in page number 99. While rejecting this SLP, the observation of Honorable Supreme Court is given in page number 100, my lord.
Yes.
I am reading from the 4th line. The issue relates to the disclosure of marks of other candidate in the examination. We are also of the view that the disclosure of the marks, though may fall in the category of personal information, yet the disclosure of the personal information is presently necessary in public interest, and therefore it is not an information which cannot be given by the information officer under RTI Act. To the contrary, such information must be disclosed in order to maintain transparency in the process. Now, this is an observation of Honorable Supreme Court, my lord, and I believe we have all the reasons based on Article 141, we have all the reasons to not to interfere with the decision in the impugned judgment. There are so many other things, my lord. I have attached 3 cases of CIC, one larger case.
That's all.
So there are so many other things. I mean,
So
there are.
you see, admission matters we're concerned with. Students wanting admission, we're more concerned with those matters than this. They don't list.
So we can, in fact, on this.
List for
there are.
Week commencing 19 January. Interim order to continue.
Sir, kindly place it in 3rd week. I'm due for knees replacement surgery.
Sorry? When do you want it?
Sir, 3rd week of January.
3rd week of?
January.
So 19th January is 3rd week of January?
Yeah, for, yes, sir.
19th of January?
19th January.
19th.
Week commencing 19th January.
My lord, may I make a request? My lord, item number 49 also arises from the same order which is under challenge in this. My lord,
You are appearing for whom?
My lord, appellant in that case. My lord, who?
The private
My lord.
professors?
No, my lord. My lord,
The information.
All right, along with this then.
Sir, in fact, this petition is illegal. It is not maintainable, sir. It is against RTI Act.
Anyway,
It is
we'll
against
consider
government
that.
OM.
Item
It is
number?
against judicial
49,
precedents.
31 and 49 say list for consideration week commencing so and so. Interim
Let
order
it
to
be in
continue.
the final hearing list.
Sorry?
So that at length matter can be addressed to.
Sorry?
This matter can be listed in the final hearing part so that matter
Yes.
can be,
I'm
because she is
perfectly,
not giving up everything.
So, sir, no, what do you mean? I am not giving up anything.
So may I make a submission and brief to,
Mr. Srivastava, we have other matters to look at. This is not that urgent a matter. We'll see week commencing 19 January, then we'll see.
Sir, can I have a fixed date, sir? If we can have fixed
Fixed date
date?
becomes very difficult at this stage.
Sir, I have to book my ticket, sir. I come
Alright,
from
21st
Bhopal, sir.
January.
Please give any fixed date, sir.
21st
Whatever is
January.
most convenient.
21st January.
my lord, interim
Thanks a
relief
lot,
to
sir.
continue. Interim relief.
Interim order to continue, we've said.
Achha.
49 along with that so and so. दोनों में common order करके interim order to continue.
Obliged, my lord.
Thanks a lot, sir.